Namaskar. Hello, dear students. How are you all? I hope everyone is safe and healthy at your places. So, finally, here we are for that moment where I, Prerna Nandwani, on behalf of IHM Jaipur, would like to introduce you all with our new principal, Mr. Priyadarshan Singh Lakhawat. We are truly honored and excited to have him as our mentor. He is a man of great ideology and has achieved numerous landmarks in his career. To begin with, he is an alumni of IHM Bhopal and has more than 20 years of academic experience from various institutes like IHM Ahmedabad, IHM Gurdaspur, and National Council of Hotel Management, where he worked as Deputy Director, Academics and Training for 2 years. He has been awarded two-time National Award for Best Teacher in Hospitality Education from Ministry of Tourism. Also, he has been awarded Best Employee from Oberoi's Hotel and an Indian Hospitality Educators Award. He is a master trainer for Certified Learners Facilitators program at NCHM. He is also a member of Syllabus Committee at NCHM and CBSE. He is a certified hospitality educator from AHLA, USA, and qualified learner facilitator from Lausanne, Switzerland. He has been actively involved into research and publications and has published 4 books and more than 20 research articles. His contributions and achievements in the field of academics is never ending and continues to many more. He is a man who has a great interest in reading and has a passion towards poetry that adds on to his personality. Now, without wasting much time, let us all meet him for some inspirational words for all of us.
Hello friends, my name is Priyadarshan, and just now your teacher Ms. Prerna has given a very generous introduction of mine. However, I'll just say that I'm your co-learner. I am as much of a learner as you are. I'll learn from your enthusiasm, while you'll learn from my experience. So this is how I look at it. I look at the training learning process as a two-way street. Now in our interaction, when you'll be coming to the institute and when we'll be together, I want to assure you that in terms of academics, in terms of skill delivery, in terms of attitudinal development, there is there's nothing that matches IHM Jaipur as a brand. The reason being this, that we have a very strong alumni base. Also the fact that our location is such that we get best of the students. We have a very strong brand. We are located in the Pink City, which is a part of the Golden Triangle. The industry is very well developed here. Almost all major brands are present. So I reassure you about your decision of choosing IHM Jaipur as your preferred institute for this course in hotel management. Talking about the institute, I'm sure second year and final year students, they were already a part of this college when they were physically reporting in the institute, but first year students, they are a part of our family, but practically many of them or most of them have actually not seen this institute. Very soon, I'm sure the situation will change and You will be here and will again enjoy the liveliness and the laughter and the hustle and bustle that you bring to the college. Till then, we are continuing with our online academic inputs. Our teachers are doing their best, and you must appreciate the fact that for many of us, online teaching, online learning, online training was a challenge. Many of us are from a generation when computers and mobiles and apps and softwares were not a part of our day-to-day existence. In spite of that, teachers have done an excellent effort by first mastering these skills on their own and then being able to impart the required training to all of you while you are at your home. The fact that placement is getting affected because of this COVID situation cannot be understated, it cannot be overruled. This is something which is beyond our control in terms of the macro environment, in terms of the health crisis that we are facing, in terms of the economic meltdown which has happened because of corona and other factors, and the fact that hospitality and tourism industry is one of the worst hit because of the travel restrictions. In spite of that, our placement team is making its best effort to place all of you. We are looking at alternative options as well. If hotels and restaurants, if the opportunities are limited because of this situation, we are looking at retail as an option. We are also looking at various customer care opportunities which we get in MNCs and banks and other areas. So, of course, with time and with situation, we need to reorient, we need to re-strategize, and the institute as well as the placement team is making its best effort, and you need not worry about that. Your job is to prepare yourself for the interviews which are going to happen in near future. They may be through an online mode or they may be through a face-to-face mode as well, if by that time you come and report in the institute, if situation permits. At your end, at that time, at that moment, you should be prepared. And for that, the time to prepare is now. At this point of time, you need to be extremely self-motivated, self-driven. This is not free time. It is critical time, which you must utilize by developing new skills, by honing your communication, by improving upon the soft skills, by doing a lot of reading. Okay. So I recommend that you do all these things and also attend your classes, online classes diligently, interact with your teachers, ask questions, also watch a lot of YouTube videos and the other resource that is available on internet and at other places. So this way we, of course the time is difficult, but we need to make sure that we do not lose out because of this, and difficult times, they also bring opportunities, and these times actually help us to realize that we are made of tougher substance than what we otherwise thought that we are. This COVID situation, this pandemic has brought us closer emotionally, it has brought families closer, it has also brought us closer, the institute family, you and me and the entire team. Okay. We have started missing you, and I'm sure you are missing us as well. So we look forward to welcoming you to the institute in near future. The other factor which I want to address is with regard to our alumni. We have a very strong alumni base. Our students from IHM Jaipur, they are very well placed in industry, in India, abroad. Many of them are leading entrepreneurs. I also give a call to all of them to connect with the institute and contribute in terms of mentoring the students who are already here, in terms of the placement opportunities that they can get, in terms of the knowledge inputs and the skill inputs which you can bring to them, considering the fact that you are very well aware and very well familiar with the modern trends and the changes that are happening in the industry. So these are some of the areas where the alumni can contribute, and we request the alumni to connect with Institute and to connect with our students, and your contribution will certainly help us to bring IHM Jaipur a notch higher, many notches higher in fact. I also would like to give you some kind of insight into my idea of hospitality training and my idea of education. See, I believe that education, any kind of education, and moreover skill-oriented education, education where you are preparing managers for tomorrow, it has to be student-driven. Teacher's job is of facilitator rather than just a trainer. So I believe in an education system where a teacher should be adept at asking the right question and not at giving the right answer. He knows the answer, but his primary job is to ask the right question, train the student on how to think, take inputs from the student based on his reasoning, provide him the feedback. So a lot of involvement of students as a group is required in our training learning process, and which actually prepares you as managers of tomorrow. So this is what we want to do. For that, we want to bring a lot of activities, extracurricular, co-curricular, year-round activities other than your core academics, because it helps you to develop as leaders, it helps you to develop as coordinators, it helps you to showcase your skills, it helps to improve your confidence. As a whole, it improves the personality of a student, and that is actually what is critical when it comes to placement and when it comes to the success in future life. It is the overall personality of the student, and we are committed to having this kind of a vibrant environment where students get a lot of opportunities to hone their skills, and there is something for everyone. Everyone is gifted. The only thing is we need to provide opportunities that each one of you is able to use the gift that has been given to you and get an opportunity to showcase that. With that, I again thank all of you for listening to me carefully, and I look forward to be a part of this team and lead this team to newer and higher and greater successes. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Indeed, it's a pleasure to hear from you. And I'm sure that everyone will feel more encouraged and assured that everything will come back to its space. Especially, sir, we all are really fortunate to have you here as our guide. To my students, hope to see you all very soon. Till then, take care, be safe, and be healthy. Thank you.